Hey guys, my name is Harry, and welcome to Beck Beck GMC in Seguin, Texas. We're going to do a brief introduction to the new 2025 Buick Enclave. Okay. As you can see, it's a totally redesigned vehicle. It's a little bit wider, about 7 inches taller. On this particular model, which is the Avenir, you're going to have a LED frontal lights, new fascia. You're going to have 22-inch wheels. Color combo on this Buick Avenir is the ocean blue exterior with a cool gray interior, which is beautiful. You can also see a little trim around on the vehicle with the leather trim, which is standard in the Avenir package. Now you see small finishes, very, very good taste. You have this gold finish that you can see here in the center console. The Bose speaker system. So as you can see, the blue leather accents both on the dashboard, the steering wheel, on the side panels of the doors, and will light up obviously for your Super Cruise in the steering wheel. This particular Avenir, instead of having adaptive cruise control, is going to have Super Cruise, which is really neat. It's a new technology where the vehicle pretty much drives itself. It's going to have this little camera that gives context to your eyes. Your retina, if you happen to lose visual contact with this camera, it actually disengages the Super Cruise. We have a new redesign 30-inch digital display. Beautiful craftsmanship, as you can see, totally new. You have heads-up display, you have heated seats, ventilated seats, cordless charging, heated steering wheel, Bose speakers, memory seats, electric folding mirrors, blind spot assist, lane departure. Those are all standard features on the Avenir, which is the top of the line package for Buick. So a few of the things that I might mention also: telescopic wheel, different suspension modes. You have tour suspension, sport suspension, snow and ice suspension, sport mode that you can drive sport. And they've done a very, very good job in redesigning the whole interior. You see this little elongated part where you can put your purse or anything else. Little gold trim around. Everything about the vehicle is very, very good finishes. Also, be happy to know that compared to the Traverse, it sits a little bit higher, and even though it's the same frame, it appears to be a little bit more robust and have a little bit more space, cubic inches inside. A lot of people ask questions, are these difficult to get in? Well, actually, they're very easy. Let me show you. See a small button that comes right here? It gives you easy access to go to the back. Yeah. I'm not extremely tall, but you see I can have some leg room here. And it's easy exit also. You see this button right here? Push of a button, and the vehicle releases the second row, and you be able to exit very simple. Also, you're going to see that the back of the vehicle is completely redesigned, which I think looks very cool. It's a little bit wider. You can see the brake lights go all the way from one end to another. Completely redesigned. Gives the car a little bit more of a sporty look with a traditional, dependable brand of Buick. Guys, thanks again for watching. This is Harry from Beck Beck Buick GMC in Seguin, Texas. Thank you.